Thank you, sir.
Thank you, General Sinas. General Danao, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. I became the officer in charge from May 2022 only, sir. So 3 months. It's election time. And when I became MPD director, regional director of 4A and NCR, never did we get any instruction, or why should I get also a instruction from a lieutenant colonel? And kung meron man, sir, impormasyon yan, hindi rin yan as a gospel truth if ever. Kasi nakita naman natin, sir, nung una, the president even announced yung mga names. So, hindi na kailangan, sir, siguro, si Leonardo dyan. So, we never got any instruction, or we never coordinated for that matter. It was also at the time when I became RD of 4A and NCR, pandemic, sir, nung una. Sarado nga, sir, yung mall, eh.